So now we'll add materials for this.
So for this we'll add a material. The base color I'll keep it as grey, dark grey. Here I will increase the metal and I'll decrease this roughness so that we'll get shininess. So for this buttons I added the same material. To connect same material, press Ctrl L and select link material.
So for this we'll add a checker map. Connect this. Now you can see it is stretched. It is already unwrapped, but also it is stretched.
So to solve this, we'll use mapping node. Press Ctrl T, you'll get this mapping node.
Use this. Why it is stretched? Because of it is generated into UV. Now you can see the checker map. Don't want this black and white, we'll make it as a color. Friends, it is little bit yellow, and you can see as it comes down it is little dark yellow for this checker map. So first base color will keep light yellow, then we'll add a color ramp so that we can give a nice shading like down dark yellow, up light yellow. Connect this to color. We can see like a dark yellow because it has taken its own calculation and made only dark yellow. So I want it like
from down it should be dark, as it go up it should become light yellow.
For that we'll add one more node, separate XYZ. This again we'll duplicate this node, connect this here, reset to 1, connect it to Y. Now you can see up it is light yellow
and down it is dark yellow. For shininess, we need to play with the roughness values. So for that I'll add a color ramp and we'll check which value will work.
This will assign a new material. Here we require matte finish. We'll add one more material, new. Change it to black, assign. This will add glass texture. Add new and name it glass. Increase the transmission. Now you can see it is looking like mirror because we need to enable some options. If you are rendering in EV, you need to enable some options like blend and the screen space refraction, and go to render settings. Here also we need to switch on screen space refraction. So now you can see glass. Now you can see. So connect the same material, link material.
Okay, I have duplicated this full set. Now I'll apply a new material, add color ramp, and I will duplicate this color ramp for 3 times.
So instead of giving one single color, we can add 2 colors here.
Here I need like a glitter finish, so I'll add a nice texture.
I'll select this color to apply mix RGB. Select this one. This one to here. You can see some irregular patterns. Nail it down. Now it is too much. You can control this with the slider like this. Now you can see like it is shiny, glitter. We applied this color ramp and it is not affecting anything because it has taken only this color. This color is not visible. So we'll add this mapping and texture coordinate node. Here we can control the roughness because as you can see it is like fixed the roughness. So we can play with the roughness value also, but we'll use noise texture. Instead of black, we'll make it gray. This one also gray.
Now I will add one more node, wave texture.
Connect this to vector and connect this to roughness. Now we need to adjust this value.